how to fix the Honor 90 or 90 Lite which keeps dropping calls. So to fix this calls dropping issue, first of all try reinserting your SIM card. So take out the SIM card from your phone and then clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card put it back in your phone, and after that it will help you to fix the call dropping issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will help you to fix small software glitches like calls dropping issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and from here again tap on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset network settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So tap on this option, and after that the call dropping issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if your software is not up to date, then update the software, and after updating the software it will fix the call dropping issue. So that's how you can fix the call dropping issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.